Well, next thing on the list is it's time to put the windshield back in. Is it going to last? Probably not, but the girlfriend wants a windshield, so I have to throw her back in there. Unfortunately, I put that middle bar in, so step one is I got to cut that bar out, and then I got to clean up the lip all the way around. I got some good windshield urethane, not going to use a gasket, but at the same time I've never done this before, so hey, it'll be a learning experience for all of us. Hopefully I can get it down, hopefully I won't break the window, but who knows? Let's learn, shall we?
It's a good thing I usually only weld half the pipe. Fast welding, so it's for half the cutting. Yeah, the reason my hood's all dented now is not from wheeling, it's from me standing on it. But I tell you though, it becomes very freeing when you get to the point that you just don't really care about the sheet metal in your rig anymore. You don't have to worry nearly as much. I could keep cutting this, but I feel like I'm going to make myself bleed, so I'm going to see if I can get the hammer out and beat this off here. Oh! I climb down off my damn jungle gym now.
Time to finally slap the windshield in this thing. You guys probably saw me pull it out of the Cheapfinder, and it's been sitting here for months and I haven't got around to doing anything about it. Part of the reason is because I have no idea what I'm doing. So this will be a learning experience for all of us. My good buddy Rich owns a glass shop, and he explained it all to me, gave me some goop, so I got a bit of an idea. But at the same time, I'm just thinking about the fact that I'm going to have to climb up on the hood, drag this glass up there, and do it while standing on the hood. So that's not going to be so easy. Maybe I'll drop it, maybe I'll break it. Who knows? Murphy's Law, my luck says I'm going to smash this out the first time I take it out in the woods, but either way, I got it, and we may as well throw it in. So I just cleaned, cut the goop off the old glass. I'm going to clean the glass. That sound that you hear is my heater, which I don't usually run, but it's on because apparently this goop is not fun to use at all when it's cold. So I got them jammed in there warming up so they will spooge out. And also Rich was nice enough to cut me the proper notch, he says. I've never done it, so we'll see. But apparently you want a notch like that so you get a nice big V bead on there. And we got a couple issues. You can see on this side, my cage actually hangs over the glass, so I'm gonna have to somehow lay it down and then slide it over. Thankfully, it doesn't matter if it leaks or looks like crap because, well, it leaks and looks like crap. So, and you can see this sweet rust I had building above my windshield. So, away she goes. I'm gonna clean that glass a little bit, and figured I'd do a dry run before I get some goop on there and see how she's gonna go. So I'll leave the camera set up because if I drop this windshield, we may as well all watch my pain as I smash the damn thing. So onwards and upwards. I'm honestly surprised I've made it this far without breaking the thing. This is how you do it, right, Rich? That was fun. Dry run. Looks like it'll go. I'm gonna find somewhere more exciting to put this camera. Stuff smells like good times. Poked a hole. Well, a bunch of holes. Already starting to get black stuff on my hands. That's a good sign. Kind of how I figured it'd go. It's like caulking a bathtub. Also something I'm terrible at. Just trying to keep a constant bead. Ah, damn it. Things are going bad, boys. My damn monkey bars are in the way here. And this stuff doesn't seem to stick as well down here, so I clearly didn't clean it very good. Rich, I'm sorry, buddy. That's sad. And I don't know if I should put some more along the top. And of course I just killed the tube. I got another tube, but do I want to open a tube to just do one bead? It got real nice over here. Fuck. Tick tock, tick tock. 2 for 2. Ah! Tube number 2. Once she's down, she's down. So I got a bit of goop on the window. Then it's spooged out over there. But it should be okay. I'll be able to clean that up with a razor blade. I might throw a new pair of gloves on and try to clean that up along the top there, because that's pretty ugly. But overall, I'm pretty stoked. So that's not bad, really. I bet it'll leak like a sieve, but less than no glass. Talked to my buddy Rich, and he said I probably shouldn't mess with that big bead at the top because it's just gonna make a mess if I try to throw a pair of gloves on and clean it up a little bit. And the more I think about it, what the hell do I care? We'll see how long glass lasts, but either way, it was not really all that eventful because it all went really well. So I'm gonna clean this thing up, and it's pretty much ready to go wheeling again. So the problem is, what's keeping me from that is I need a new axle for my trailer and a new tire for my trailer. If you watched the fender video, you probably saw how boots the tire was. So that's next on my list, but it's $400 away. So unfortunately, cheap windshields are easier to come by than minty trailer tires. So I'll get her figured out and hopefully get the trailer back on the road so we can do some winter wheeling here. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll probably be out in the driveway mucking around on the trailer, but we're getting ever closer to going wheeling again. We got all 4 tires on it again. Mint! Right on, boys.